My wonderful learners, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to do so. Today we want to explain the concept of proportion. When a change in one quantity causes a change in another quantity, then the quantities are in proportion. And we have two types of proportion. Number one is direct proportion. This simply means that when there is increase in one quantity, there will be increase in another quantity. And if probably we have decrease in one quantity, then there will be decrease in another quantity as well. The second type of proportion is inverse proportion. If one quantity increases, the second one decreases. Or probably if one quantity decreases, the second one will increase. It will be the opposite. Thank you.